Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Thanks guys for continuing to remain with us. For today we have from Teni romantic moments when she kissed a shy male fan on stage. Nigerian singer Teni Makanaki thrilled fans at her just concluded concert after she brought out a shy male fan from the audience and went romantic with him. The For Your Case crooner, who is unarguably one of the hottest musical artists in Nigeria right now, asked the young man, identified as Wahab, to climb onto the stage while performing at the Ovation Carol night held in Lagos on Sunday. In a video which is currently circulating on social media, the billionaire singer could be spotted bringing the gentleman's cheek closer to her lips and giving it a warm kiss. The male fan, who seemed really shy, however, did not return the gesture. He just left out a small grin and made his way out of the stage. Oh, how nice can Teni be? Let me know what you think about Teni's gesture in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Stay tuned guys for more gist. Thank you.